So, haven't exactly been saying what we've been doing, but we've been traveling. Right now, we're in Campbell River, but I'll tell you where we were on the first day. So, I have to have it written down because seriously, like, when you do so many things in a short amount of time, it's kind of crazy and all the events kind of blend together. So, on Friday, we arrived at friends near Vancouver. And then on Saturday, we got up at 5 to catch the ferry. And of course, we were waiting there. And there was too many people, so we had to go on the next ferry, so we had to wait 2 hours. Anyway, we got to Nanaimo. We went to two little kind of parks. One was called Piper's Lagoon, and the other was Neck Point. And on Sunday, we left Nanaimo. On the way, we stopped at Englishman River Falls. Then we got to Campbell River and we decided to go to Elk Falls Provincial Park. Now we're here. We have a few things in plan for today, and I will try and vlog it this time. Just about to leave, we're gonna go to Strathcona Provincial Park. I read that it's the oldest and biggest park in British Columbia. We'll see what's there. Okay, so we walked a little ways from the road in Strathcona and we found Lucan Falls. We stopped at a roadside little place and it was called Auger Point, so we decided to check it out. Look at this. So we just came back from the park. It was really nice. It's kind of a lot of driving, probably more than it looks like. We went really far into the park because we were looking for Upper and Lower Myra Falls, but the road it said to take was there, like the signs were there for it, but the road itself wasn't there at all. Whatever, we found other places. So yeah, that's really it for now.